Okay, I just thought I'd do a quick video walk around of what we got done today. Well, mostly me. At any rate, this will be the main straightaway. Some of these pieces will be assembled tomorrow. There are 3 more 8-foot lengths to go on here, for a total of, I think it's 25 foot, almost 10 for the main straightaway. You can see there's a bit of a chicane here, tight turn at the end, and then we have a big sweeping turn. Has a 180-degree radius. That's like 30-foot diameter. And then it goes into another tight turn, slightly wider diameter turn here, and I think that's about 11 foot, almost 12 feet of straightaway, and another tight turn. And in this area will be the piece that goes up and over the sweeper. And the rest of the track will be down here. And I don't have enough room for it. As you can see, things are getting pretty crowded. I'll get the sweeper put together and glued onto that turn over there. And then I should be able to put, let's see, what have I got here? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, so I can put 2 more of the main straightaways on. There's a very shallow bank on 2 of these corners. Can't really remember which ones. I'd have to look at the plan. But mostly this is a completely flat track. So what will happen is I will route everything that I can assemble in one piece, and then what I'll do is put on all the sidewalls that I can assemble, and then build the bridge up to somewhere around here. Actually, I'll build the bridge right over the sweeper, and I'll build as much of the sidewalls as I can, and then I'll lock 2 pieces together and then disassemble everything else except for the 2 pieces that are locked. They'll be strapped underneath and strapped above wherever I can get a piece of wood on to lock them in place, so that the last 2 joints are exposed will be exactly in the right spot to be able to build the rest of the track. And I'll have enough room once I take it all apart and move the lock pieces down towards the other end of the shop, towards that door, and then I'll be able to assemble the rest of it. I won't be painting it in here. I really do not like painting tracks in 2 pieces. You always get a bit of an ugly joint somewhere. The track will be disassembled and taken down to Toronto and put back together in Ernie Massetti's shop. Now, I realize after counting up the joints and the number of sections, I am a little short on legs. I do have some more wood over there that I can make some legs out of. I think I'm only about 8 legs short. I guess that's about it for today. Coming along quite nicely. I hope to have all the woodwork done in about a week from now. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.